Hi, Charleston County interns. This is Ms. Carr, and welcome back to a Finding Our Job Friday. We're going to continue working on our Google website portfolios, and a really fun part about this portfolio is on our main page, what we're working towards now is you are going to complete a video of yourself, and I've provided a little introduction script for you. This is just a great way for employers and other professionals to kind of get an idea of your communication and a little background experience from what you got from our Project Search internships. So what we're working on today is our portfolio introduction. So if you're looking at our pacing guide, we're here under 524, complete your portfolio introduction script and practice it. I think that's the most important. Don't just complete it, but then practice it. Either practice it to yourself, reading it, practice it with a family member, and just get very comfortable reading this script, because next week our assignment is for you to record yourself doing it. And I have a example from another Project Search intern that I'll be providing you guys just to give you an idea too of how these look. So again, go ahead and make sure you have your portfolio introduction script. And you're going to be completing the blanks that I have here. So our directions: complete the script with your own information. Use your resume for the script. Please practice reading the script to yourself and or a family member to practice today. So I would say at least practice reading it at least 5 times to get more comfortable with it. Keep continuing with reading it on through next week too, so you get very comfortable with it. And so you can make a great video of yourself introducing your website and your experience that you've gained here at Project Search. So I know some of you, we haven't completed our Google websites. So for those of you who haven't completed your Google website, I'm going to send you the instructions from last Friday. So make sure you do that first. Make sure you do our lesson that was on the 17th first before doing this. It's going to be more helpful if you go ahead and create that website, share it with me. Please let me know if you're having any internet issues or if you need to call me, FaceTime me for any help you need or guidance you need on completing that. So first, finish the website. If you're done with the website, which some of you are, 2 of you are, you know who you are, so you can go ahead and just start the script for today. So right here, we're going to start, hello, my name is. You're going to put your first and your last name. I am finishing the Project Search work training program at Embassy Suites, North Charleston area and Convention Center. My work experience. I've completed 2 10-week experiences during my time at Project Search. In my first rotation, I worked in the blank department. So again, have that resume. That resume shows you what the name of that department was in case, you're like, oh, well, I know it was called this or that. Look on that resume, because not only is the resume going to have that name of the rotation, it's also going to have those jobs. So you're going to write here, I learned how to, and you're going to write at least 3 jobs you did in this role. And again, use that resume. So list those there. And then do the same thing for your second rotation. I worked in the blank department. I learned how to, and put 3 of those things on there. And then this is going to be kind of your own wording, kind of selling yourself just like you would in a job interview that we've talked about. So what makes me a hard worker? I'm a hard worker because, we all have a lot of different strengths in a lot of different areas that make us all hard workers, because we all are. So I'm a hard worker because I'm always on time and I always finish the job I'm given. I ask for help when I need to. And just a simple description of why you think that you are a hard worker. Also, you should hire me because. So, get some help, and if you need to call me for some ideas on this, think about it. Why should someone hire you? What do you have? What have you brought to the table? So, you could mention, you should hire me because I worked really hard on my Project Search internship. I've gained a lot of employability skills. I'm a hard worker, and just complete that statement there. Both of these, I'm a hard worker because I, and you should hire me because I, and get some good reasons there. And then lastly, we always want to let our employer know what our goals are. So my goals, I'm interested in working, either you're going to circle full or part-time, as a or on blank. So what are you wanting to do after project search? You're going to put that role there. I would like to work as a whatever you want to work as because, and have that reasoning. Why do you want that job? And then thank you for watching my introduction video, and please explore more information about me in my work portfolio. And that's that Google website. So pretty easy day, but if you do need any help setting up those Google websites or completing this information in your portfolio, again, use those resumes. I think that'll make it a lot easier on you. Or if you just want to practice reading this with me, I am definitely available to do so. So just let me know. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you for our Money Mondays on Monday. I'll be checking in with families today, giving each family a call just to check in, see how things are going, how the lessons are going, kind of get some ideas for where we want to move forward in May. Obviously, moving forward with those job searches and how we want to do that. So I'll be reaching out to each family today to check in. So I look forward to speaking with you guys, and I'll see you next week.